Hello everybody, I'm Luis and let's talk about design automation for Revit. About this issue or this workaround that I did in the last video to force my application to load the correct assembly and use that assembly to execute the design automation event. But has an issue with this approach that I did. Uh, Basically, if I create application.and sign to some events like this one, yeah, if we had something like this code gonna run in the wrong assembly and this gonna run in the correct one. So yeah, that's an issue. In this application, it's not gonna have any issues, but yeah, if you're using this approach, gonna be a problem. I already have another code that I'm using, but let's fix that in this project and make ready to create I don't know, a package maybe to fix a different problem, but I'm gonna talk about that in a different video. But first, let's do that. I already have that sample ready, but I'm gonna create a new project in here to use that. Let me think. Let's go in new project. Yep. Let's create. Could be this one. It's not gonna be an issue. Revit dot design application design application. Looks like you're gonna do this name. Yeah, it could be this version. I'm gonna change anyway. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna basically delete this still. And what I need to change in here, I'm gonna change this one to version 7, net 8 and netcore net 8.0 Windows. Basically all the versions that I need. Gonna reload that for design automation or for Revit. I this open again. Yep, looks fine. Let's delete this. What I need to do in here, I'm gonna add the language just to make sure to latest. Just use the last version of C Sharp. So, and what I need in here as well is some reference. Let's see. Okay. Let's copy this and let's go back in this project. Let's copy that. I don't need this. This probably not as well. Don't need as well. This one. And this basically is the reference for the package. Let's make a little better. This one. Yeah, this looks fine. And I need to select the correct version. And let's copy this. Yeah. This is gonna do the trick. Actually, is this one? Yeah, I could copy this. Let's copy everything. Actually, let's copy this as well. Yes, let's copy everything. Yes. Yeah, and this looks fine. Okay, let's see what else I need. I don't need that. Let's put library just to make sure and remove this. Yeah, let's build this just to make sure. Okay, let's rebuild just as is a small issue. Yeah, that looks fine. Great. That looks like it's working. So I'm gonna go in this project and I'm gonna add as reference, project reference. Yep. And I'm gonna select that one. Yep. Okay. And this looks fine. Now I'm gonna copy what I already did. So just to make sure. Yeah. let's build to make sure everything is working. Fine. What I did in here, I have this design application. That's basically my abstraction. That what's not appearing here? Yeah, that basically have the external DB application. Great. And I have as well the iDesign automation that basically that execute with the Boolean. Fine. And what else I have in here? I have this three abstraction, the on startup, on shutdown, and this execute. That's basically gonna execute the code in design automation. Yeah. And what in this startup, what that does, basically gonna try to find the correct version. This basically the same thing I'm doing using this design automation loader. Yep. And I'm gonna do this basically the same code, the same thing, but instead of creating that, get that class for the design automation, I'm getting the iExternalDB application, basically the same class. Basically the same class as this one. So gonna re-execute, yeah. And gonna do that and gonna execute the startup. Basically that's it. So, and I'm gonna sign for the event and the shutdown, do the same thing to shutdown. And here is the event for the design automation read event. So yeah, gonna do the same thing and I'm gonna execute this on class, this on abstraction. So yeah, that's basically it, what it's doing. So if I go in my main Revit, yep, main Revit application, and let's just do something like this. Let's rename it just to not have any issue. Class app, and I'm gonna add this one. Yep. And let's get the correct location. And I need to add all the abstraction. Let's reorder this just to make more sense. And let's put this one, yeah, in here, and this one in here. And I can remove both stuff like this. And let's return what I need is this one. Yeah. New, yep. Execute, yeah, like this. So this is gonna do the same thing I'm already doing, but let's copy this just to can use that. And because of the reference for the control application, I basically can use this one. Yeah, the application with a application. Yeah, this one. So, and this should basically do the same thing already is doing. So if let's remove this just to make sure. Yep, let's build that. Let's first change the version. Where is it? Yeah, version 1. Yes, and this should do the same thing that I did. I could delete this. This not important anymore. Can delete this as well. And this should work. This and should do the same thing. Let's move this to the bottom. Yes. So that's it. Yeah. If I run that, let's build this. Actually, let's create the bundle. And not that. Let's build this. This should create my bundle with this application. And let's wait. I'm pretty sure that's gonna be correct. Let's something fail. What I forgot? Oh, that makes sense. this case I could remove this, but I actually could remove this. Actually, it's not gonna be a big deal in this case. I could put a static as well in the execute. Yeah, anyway, now looks fine, I guess. I delete the interface and forget to, yeah. And yeah, this should create my bundle. Yeah, let's wait. And then I can, yes, this is my basically my bundle here. Content, yeah, alpha. Let's go in the version 21. Yep. The bridge. Here's the other Revit design application that I create right now. And yeah, the rest should work fine. Pretty sure. I'm thinking if it's gonna be a problem or not. Let's run and check it out. Yeah, if I execute this should run that bundle. I'm not sure if it's gonna work. Now I'm thinking because could be a different reference. Maybe not. Yeah, because I'm have basically choose. I guess gonna use the same one. Let's find out. Yeah, I'm pretty sure gonna work, or maybe fail. Let's wait. It's running in Zen Automation 25, so this should force Zen Automation by default gonna load the first one, basically this one, and my that design application actually gonna try to load this one, try to load this. Yeah, gonna load this, and gonna use that to run. Yeah, let's see if that works. Where's my output? And yeah, there's, yeah, the adding name is no, that's not the issue. Yeah, it's working. Yeah, the text, the reference, yeah, everything is working. Great. Yeah, if you take a look, yeah, that log is not the best, but yeah, try to find the version 25. Yeah, let's find this file, load that, load the file. Yeah, everything is working. Yes, that's fun. And yeah, that's the other issue that I kind of know how to fix it, but use a lot of workaround. But yeah, this works a little better. Okay, that's great. What I can do, let's change it here. 1.5 port 1, 25, 18, yeah. Date. Use design application load correct version in this version of Revit. Correct version of Revit. Yeah, that's okay. I can change that with a better one. Anyway, I guess that's it for this video. Maybe in the future, probably in the future, I could create a proper library, I guess, similar like I did in this one. So so I can reuse in other projects, I guess. Like this Revit design application. Yeah, that's okay name. Yeah, so with this, something like this, so I can reuse in other projects, basically disassembly. And yeah, that's basically it. Pretty sure, yeah. And yes, let's just do a simple let's change in here. Where is it? Let's add some features. Create with design application. Flood corporate. Yeah, that's it. That's okay for me. Okay, let's just commit this. And yeah, let's do just a simple test, just to make sure that this approach is working actually. Let's create application here. Dot yeah, that's what I want. Why this happens? Okay. Yeah, let me think. Public key static string maybe. Could be the name. Yeah, that's gonna be a get set. Yeah. And I know var sender equal application actually. Is pretty sure this is application, I guess. And yeah, that's what I want. Let's change it here just to make sure. None. Yeah, just to make sure. And if I go in this one, yeah, let's just add a simple login here. Sleep y, yeah, let's early with this y. App dots, this one. And let's add this. Yes. Let's build that. And I guess that's it. Let's change the beta here. I could do that just for fun. And okay, let's do this. Let's change it here. And okay, thank you. Event test. Yeah, that's okay name. I'm gonna change this one to use. Come on. Yeah, I'm gonna change this one to use version 22. Then I know it's a little faster and should load the version 21. Yep. Okay, let's run that. This should do the same thing, I guess. Let's see if that event load with the correct assembly, adding ID name. Yeah, I'm not sure I did correctly or not. Yeah, that looks fine. This, by the way, is not gonna be null. Yep, gonna be in the correct that was kind of fast. Version 22, version 21, yes. Engine, okay. Everything looks fine. And if I go in here, yep, that's exactly what I want. So yeah, that's is basically loading the correct loading or using the reference for the correct assembly, or that's the new one that I load. Yeah. Anyway, that's it. That's working fine. Yep. That's it. Okay. Let's release this version and then I'm gonna clear this, I guess, and release a proper version for one. Yep. So that's it. Thanks for watching and bye.